Hi everyone. I planted potatoes. I think it was in the late Feb. And this bed I'm going to harvest half because the potato plants were dead already. This one, I'm not gonna touch this one yet. Not yet ready for me. Potato seedlings from this bed was the leftover of the harvest last summer. Oh, there's see. Ooh, pretty. Wow. My potato seeds were as small as this. Oh. They're small. It's like finding gold. They say to plant potatoes as big as an egg, like this size. Most of the potatoes I planted were quite small, like this size. There was even one or two as small as this one. We're going to have mashed potatoes. Wow. Am I happy with my harvest? Yeah. With the throwaway potatoes that I planted. Hey, is this green? I'm not going to cook this. I'm gonna plant this one. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel. You may like and share my videos. Have a wonderful time with your family and friends.